Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to paint a tiny pot and make it useful. Let's get started. Here I am going to use a little bit of molded clay. So you mix this, and in one packet you can make many crafts, and I have a lot of videos about it. You can check them out. So once it's mixed, I am going to make his mustache. So for which I am taking two small pieces and trying to mold it like a mustache. Doesn't matter how thick or thin it is. Then I'm also adding some hairs, just random stripes, and then give them a random pattern. Then allow it to completely dry. Now I'm going to paint it. So first I gave a white coat. Now I'm going to add skin color. This is Fevicryl Acrylic paints fresh tint color. Then I'm going to add black to the mustache as well as hairs. This is quite an easy peasy DIY, and it looks stunning when you keep it in a corner. I'm going to add him some features. Let him have a broad laugh. Uncle G is laughing. Okay, let's have a triangle nose. And then add some spectacles and give him some depth. This Uncle G attracts everyone when you keep it in a corner. You can add artificial flowers or real flowers as well. This is the same teapot which you get it outside when you drink your tea. So I'm just making it a creative showpiece or decor item. Okay, please add varnish after 2 days, that is after the paint is completely dried. Otherwise a little paint which is not dried might spoil the entire DIY, so please be very careful. Hope you like our channel content. If you like, please watch the video completely and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with other DIY enthusiasts. Then for the outer color or the borders, I am going to add blue color. You can add any color of your choice. You can also add a darker color as well. So this is how it looks. Isn't it easy as well as creative? Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.